Dressing up for virtual meetings. Most of our wardrobes have a section called Clothes for Work. Dressing up for work is assumed. Similarly, attending virtual meetings such as Zoom or Teams require preparation for our participation, similar to dressing up for work. In this video, we will cover 5 aspects that can improve your video conferencing to create a better experience for both you and other meeting participants. Internet. You will need fast upload speeds. Need to be careful here. 10 megabits per second is sufficient for a video meeting.
We are really excited to present to you this virtual event. We have sent you the content up front.
What you just witnessed is a micro stall. It happens when your computer is connected to the internet on Wi-Fi. If there is a wired network to the internet in your home, then the solution is using a wired Ethernet connection to your computer. Plug an Ethernet cable into the back of your router. Sound. Once you're wired, the most important part of video conferencing is sound. To improve your sound, we recommend using wired earbuds with an inline microphone. Using earbuds is going to do 2 things. It's going to move the microphone closer to your mouth, which will reduce the room sound. It will allow you to turn on the original sound in Zoom, which will make for clearer speech. Using wired earbuds with an inline microphone will improve your meeting audio exponentially. Here's an example of someone using the built-in mic on a laptop.
Welcome to the FCP refresher course in collaboration with MobiLearn. We are very excited to present to you this virtual meeting
compared to someone using wired earbuds with an inline microphone.
Welcome to the FCP refresher course in collaboration with MobiLearn. We are really excited to present to you this virtual meeting.
This is a simple solution and probably something you already have in your possession, as most smartphones come with the wired earbuds with inline microphones. Let's take a look at Zoom audio settings, which can be accessed right next to the Zoom mute button. And check the box to show the Enable Original Sound button. It is good etiquette to mute your microphone when joining a meeting. We set this by selecting this setting. This means that each time you join a meeting, go to the upper left-hand corner and click Turn on the original sound. Lighting. Even the best cameras can't work without light. Make sure the lighting is not behind you. You'll be cast as darkness. Even in normal room lighting, you may still show up dim. Add some front light. You can add 2 front lights to your left and right if you have these at your disposal. The lighting doesn't have to be expensive. A ring light or paper lantern lamp can work well. And if you find the light is too harsh, try bouncing it off the front wall. Remember, you want the bright lights in front of you and not behind you. Sitting in front of a window, the bright light can wash you out, but that's easily fixed by reorienting your workstation. Camera and framing. Once you have good lighting, your computer's webcam should be sufficient. From there, it's all about framing. Sit in the center of the frame and don't chop off the top of your head or your chin. Raise the camera up to eye level. If you're using a laptop, you may need a laptop stand or use a stack of books. If you're connecting from a phone, be sure to turn it sideways so you're in landscape mode and get a stand for it. Don't try to hold your phone throughout a meeting. The background. Now that your shot is framed nicely, take a look at the background. Make sure there's nothing distracting back there. We strongly urge you not to use virtual backgrounds. Lastly, most online communities have their own etiquette guidelines. They may all vary slightly, but there are some hard and fast rules, such as put your mic on mute when joining the meeting, as well as when you're not speaking. Raise your physical or digital hand when you want to speak, and wait to be called on. When speaking, be sure you look into the camera, not down at your screen. This has been a simple, low-cost way to improve your online conferencing experience.